Hello everyone, I'm John Kerr Castillo, an 18 years old first-year student of Caraga State University, currently pursuing Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Science. In this journey has been both exciting and challenging as I navigate the reality of a college life and strive to make the most of my opportunity here. One of the biggest challenges I faced so far is financial constraints. As a new student, the cost of academic materials, transportation, and other expenses have created a lot of stress for me. These financial limitations sometimes make it difficult to fully participate in activities or afford essential resources, which add to the pressure of adjusting to college life. This challenge also affects my ability to uphold one of KCSU1's responsibilities to engage maturely and responsibly within the campus community. CSU encourages students to conduct themselves in a way that align with the university's standards and values, expecting us to be active and responsible members of the community. However, my financial challenges have made me difficult to meet this standard at times. For instance, attending campus events or fulfilling class requirements can be challenging when I have to carefully budget my expense. To manage this challenge, I'm focusing on developing essential 21st century skills, specifically basic money management. Learning how to budget effectively, prioritize expenses, and even seek part-time opportunity is helping me to handle these financial pressures. These skills allows me to make mindful choices about spending, ensuring I can afford necessities while still participating in important academic activities. If I successfully manage this challenge, I expect more balanced and focused college experience. I'll be better equipped to participate in both academic and extracurricular activities, which will enhance my learning and social connection on campus. This outcome will also help me build confidence knowing that I've learned to handle financial challenges early on, skills that will undoubtedly benefit me for a long after college. Thank you for listening. I want to thank you all for allowing me to share my experience and the challenges I navigating as a new student in Caraga State University.